one of the features that we did recently introduce within a donut chart is to have a KPI within it. Previously, a lot of the times you were creating a card visual. For example, if I wouldn't have this KPI card in the center right now, I can just remove it for now. You have a blank space. They would put the card here, make it transparent, go to the selection menu, find the donut chart, make sure the donut chart is on top of the card. The donut chart is also transparent. So you can see you could do it kind of previously, but it wasn't native, which means that if you, for example, have a drill down level, the card becomes useless right now. Vice versa. You put the card on top of a donut chart, and in some cases, if the card is bigger, you have issues with selecting a slice because you're clicking on the card. So to avoid these sort of frustrations and to make it feel more native, what we did is we created two additional fields, KPI value and KPI label. And for these, in my case, I'm just using again a parameter, using a value, and I'm using a label which is dynamic based on this. You can see I don't have enough space. Well, I can play around with the sizes of the labels, for example. 8. I don't need it to be too big. This one, 16 actually seems fine. Decimals automatically detect if it's needed. And what's a cool part about this is because since this is driven now by per parameter, if I'm switching between the parameters, you can see this switches as well. So one way on how you can think about this is this one little part allows you to save a little bit of space because you don't necessarily need to create a new card for it. You can still create a card which showcases, for example, a month over month change or year over year change or whatever it is in that particular case. But, if you're not doing this and just need a total number, why not do something like this?